G'day and welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. It's been a fair while since I've uploaded, since I've ridden, obviously since I've filmed, so yeah, Happy New Year 2025. Gonna be honest, hasn't been the best start of the year for me, but here we are. First Saturday of the year, 9 AM, beautiful day out here in West Australia. I thought, bugger it. Let's slap on the helmet, chuck on the camera, head for a cruise. I swear, that silver Toyota turned left before and then it took like a shortcut or some shit. Back onto the main road. Bypass the red light or some shit. I swear. It was the one that came up behind me just before and sat there. I moved over for him and he still just sat there even though he sped up behind me. Playing games with me. For what? Hey, where are you going? What are you doing? Fucking jeez Louise. What a day. What a day to be exercising. Couldn't think of anything worse. Glad I don't have to pedal like these other peasants on their bicycles. So, yeah, new year, new me. Nah, none of that. Come on. But nah, seriously, 2025, like I said, hasn't really started off the best for me. But it's only up from here, right? Day 4 into the new year. Yeah, let's get it. So I've got some pretty big plans for the channel this year. Going to make a commitment to myself to upload more frequently. Really enjoy doing my Motor Eats vlogs, so try and get that kicked off. Thinking like one a month. Commit to one a month, and then anything more than that's a bonus. And I do have something pretty exciting, hopefully, that'll help the channel grow, because that's ultimately what I want, is to have fun riding my bike here in Western Australia and show it to the world. And to do that, I need to grow the channel, obviously. So yeah, something exciting coming. I've just got to pull my finger out and do it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. That will help me grow this channel. Doing the YMCA. The derelict. boy. Breakfast by the sea, or maybe a cup of tea by the sea. Wait, this is the bloke that fucking come screaming past me before. Who are you looking at? Oh, hey, don't fucking wave at me. I wonder if I could just wave to show people which way I'm going. That was my bad. I was too busy being so excited that someone nodded their head at me with a little wave. Very exciting. Them's just got their lights on but nobody's home. So you just never know. They just had their blinker on. It's like, do you stop? Fucking stop at every fucking... Some beeps there. Hey, what are you dumping there? Dumping some sand. Another nod. Another hullabaloo. So exciting. So exciting. So exciting. You think that pooch just nodded at me? He's just saying g'day too, I think. Bloody cyclists holding up the bloody traffic. boy. Just on it, boy. What you slowing down for, Bubba-Lubs? 70. Stupid. Oh, because I'm turning. I've got to slow down because I'm turning. In 50 meters. Yeah, that shit.